Hey guys, it's Cole from Cole Show, and today I am doing a fidget spinner unboxing. So this fidget spinner says it spins up to 2 minutes. So I did this on my other channel, Greg Tomlinson, which I couldn't change it to. I've tried to change it to another name, but I can't do it. Anyways, yeah, what is happening? Ooh, I got my phone right here recording. I recorded my second video. Okay, sorry about that. So yeah. Yeah, spins up to 2 minutes. It's a black fidget spinner. On the side, bottom, and the other side, it says TriStar Spinners. If you guys can see that. It might be backwards because that's just the way it is. Same with the top too, actually. It says that on the top too. Okay, so age is 6+, cause choking hazard. That was weird. What is that? Oh, okay. So yeah, got that there. Ooh, kind of heavy actually. Let's plop it out onto my hand. Bloop. Okay, so this is the fidget spinner right here. It's gonna give it like a little spin. Awesome. So let's spin it. Ooh, that's good. Looks so nice. Ah! That caught my hair. Ow. So yeah, that's a fidget spinner. So cool. So yeah, it's pretty much. Ooh, ow! Just hit me in my face. Okay, so I think that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, leave a like. Oh, and that's my new bed over here, so there will be more videos in here. So this should be probably more my setup now. Sorry I haven't done a video for a little while though. My other YouTube channel's just been crazy. So you guys, if you could subscribe to my other channel, Greg Tomlinson, that would mean so much to me. And yeah, and if we get this video to, so right now I'm about 12 subscribers. If I hit 20 subscribers, I'll do some kind of special video, like I don't know what, if I hit 20 subscribers. So yeah, so if you did enjoy this video, like, subscribe, 1,000 likes, and I'll do that special video. And yeah, I'll see you all later. Goodbye.